So what we want to do here is take a look at how to determine if we are given a proportional relationship. Something to keep in mind is that in order for there to be a proportion, we need to have a consistent constant of proportionality. We use the variable k to stand for this. And the constant proportionality is found by having a consistent ratio of y over x. So I have two examples here. The first one is given to us as the x values on the top row, the y values on the bottom row. And what we need to do here is we need to check to see if there is a constant of proportionality. In other words, is the ratio going to be the same? So again, we're going to say that the constant of proportionality is y over x. And we're going to test each of these. So the first one I look at here is 6 to 2. So I'm just going to write this as 6 over 2. And that would simplify to 3 over 1. Now we could just divide and say it's equal to 3, but I want to keep the ratio consistent. Then we're going to move on. We have 12 over 4, which will also simplify to 3 over 1. So far, so good. Right now, we see that we do have a constant of proportionality. However, as all teachers will tell us, make sure you check. So next, we're going to go to 24 over 8. And once again, both can be reduced by 8, and we end up with 3 over 1. And finally, we have 21 over 6. 21 over 6, they share a factor of 3, which would be 7 over 2. However, 7 over 2 cannot simplify any further, and it is not consistent with the proportional constants that we had. So therefore, we would have to come up here and we would have to say that this is not proportional. So let's move on to our second table. Again, our constant has to be y over x. And so I'm going to take my first pair. We have 2 over 1, which is 2 over 1. Next, we have 6 over 3, which can simplify to 2 over 1. 18 over 9 can simplify to 2 over 1. And 10 over 5 does simplify to 2 over 1. Since these are all the same, we're going to say that this is proportional. So just by looking at the table, we can determine if there is a constant proportionality. In other words, is this a proportional relationship by looking at the ratio of y over x.